Today's menu, 3-2-1 party dip. But first, our Bible verse of the day, Romans 12:18. If it is possible, as much as depends on you, live peaceably with all men. Do good to one another, folks, and we say amen to that. Now let's get to this delicious party dip. Very simple, very quick and easy and delicious party dips, folks. The reason we call it 3-2-1, you're going to want 3 blocks of cream cheese, 2 cans of Rotel tomatoes, and that is going to be 2 10-ounce cans. And you're going to want 1 pound of whatever breakfast sausage you choose at whatever heat level you would like. We're going with mild today because we're going to a birthday party and not everyone there wants any spice, but you choose the level of hot, medium, or mild that you would like. Get it in your crock pot. You want to brown that pound of breakfast sausage. Make sure it is thoroughly strained and even patted dry a little bit with a paper towel because you don't want your dip being all greasy. And go in with your 3 blocks of cream cheese. Your 2 cans of Rotel. I'm going to get my stirring utensil. I'm going to tuck that down in there, and we're going to put our crock pot on high, and we're going to put the lid on, and we're going to check on it and stir it occasionally until it's melted down and blends and becomes the delicious dip that we know and love, and we know you will too. We'll be right back to show you what it looks like after this commercial break.
Don't miss the newest episode of Coffee Talk, where things might boil over.
I saw the most handsome man today.
Thanks. I get that a lot.
By who? Your adopted parents?
At least I don't live with them.
I make twice your salary. My parents live with me.
All right, it's been a while. As I said, Squatch and I are taking this to a birthday party, so we were in no hurry. We had plenty of time to let it come to heat and become this delicious dip. If you're in a bit of a hurry, you can always put your ingredients in a pot on the stove. Keep an eye on your temperature and make sure you stir often so that you do not burn your dip or get it bubbling and popping out of your stove. Another thing is, we always do this with corn chips, corn tortillas, or Fritos or something like that. But since we're bringing the dip to the party, someone else is bringing the chips. So today we're going to give an example with just the old thin original potato style chip. And Squatch gets hers. And I will get mine.
Wow.
And you get all that sausage. And I'm telling you, if you've never had it, you're going to love it. And you will be the star of your party. Thank you for joining us today. We hope that you enjoy this recipe. Check out some more videos on the channel. Have a blessed day. We'll see you next time.
You know what time it is.
Like, share, and subscribe.
You never know what's going to happen.
And you don't want to miss it.